Hey YouTube, Aiden the Simpsons fan 2000 here. This video is a request from the Big Comfy Couch Epic Awesome Great TV show. So today's video is called Super Wide Burps and Farts at the Dinner Table and Gets Super Grounded. Enjoy! So, Jack, how was school today? It's good, Mom and Dad. I'm excited to graduate this year.
Yeah, we're so proud of you, Jack. And Joy, are you excited for kindergarten next year? Yes, I am, Mom.
Hey, Mom and Dad, can I please have dessert? No, Wyatt, you gotta finish your food first. Oh no, I'm gonna... Hey! What, Beanstalk? Did you burp and fart at the dinner table? Tell us the truth right now. No. Yes! Yes! Make me, Mom and Dad. Hey!
Super Why, you better knock it off right now and tell us the truth right now. Did you burp and fart at the dinner table?
Yes, I did. It is pretty funny, isn't it, you guys? Wyatt Beanstalk! Wyatt! Bean! Stalk! Oh. Wyatt Beanstalk, are you serious with us? How dare you burp and fart at the dinner table without saying excuse me? Super Y, you do not burp and fart at the freaking dinner table like that. You know that is rude, disrespectful, and unacceptable, and not polite at all. You need to say excuse me when you burp or fart. You cannot burp or fart without saying excuse me. It's rude. Why? Because it's not good manners, Super Y. You need to be more politer than that, Super Y. You know better than this. What you just did is so disgusting, rude, and disrespectful.
Yeah, I agree with your dad. You should know better than to burp and fart at the dinner table without saying excuse me. Those are bad manners, Super Y. Bad manners.
I didn't know that, Mom and Dad. Well, now you do. Guess what, Super Y? What? You are so super grounded for 999 million decades. This means no TV, no computer, no hanging out with friends, no hanging out with Alpha Pig, Wonder Red, and Princess Presto, no going on your stupid adventures, and none of the above, and no life furthermore. As your punishment, no dessert for you tonight. You're going upstairs to your room right now.
Yeah, get upstairs to your room right now.
Oh, knock it off, Super Y, and go to sleep.
Yeah, knock it off, Super Y, and go to sleep.
So that's the end for this video. Please like, subscribe, turn your notifications on, click the bell, comment, and share. Hope you have a great day. Bye.